ASUS has recently introduced the world's very first smart bracelet that can measure both blood pressure and electrocardiogram readings. This innovative device is known as the VivoWatch 6 Aero, and it was unveiled in China. What makes this device stand out is its ability to measure blood pressure and electrocardiogram with just a simple touch of the finger, marking a significant milestone in the realm of wearable technology. Unlike other devices such as the Huawei Watch D, which relies on an inflatable airbag within the strap, the VivoWatch 6 Aero is the first smart bracelet to offer these measurements with just a simple touch of the finger, making it a groundbreaking advancement in this technology. To measure blood pressure, this ASUS wristband uses two PPG sensors, one on each side, and requires a finger touch on the front sensor. This offers a smaller, although potentially less precise option. ASUS notes that these measurements are meant for personal reference only, not for medical diagnosis. The wristband is lightweight, weighing just 27 grams, and has a sleek design with straps that can be swapped out in either black or pink. It features a water resistance of 5 atmospheres, which makes it perfect for swimming activities. This is actually another advantage over Huawei's device. In fact, ASUS released a comparison image of their product against Huawei's watch, although it was blurred, highlighting several benefits. The screen is a 1-inch AMOLED display, which is relatively small given it's a color-rich wristband. However, there are not many specific details provided, like its resolution or its maximum brightness. Regarding health functions, this bracelet not only measures heart rate, oxygen saturation, and blood pressure, but it also analyzes body fat, muscle mass, and water level using the BIA sensor, which is a bioimpedance sensor. Additionally, it performs electrocardiograms to monitor cardiac activity and evaluate sleep quality, including napping periods. It utilizes the ASUS Health AI 5.0 algorithm to effectively process this data through its ASUS Health app. Connect. The battery provides up to 7 days of regular use or 9 days in power-saving mode, although the exact capacity and charging speed are unspecified. Among its other features, it has built-in GPS, allowing you to go for a run without your phone and map your routes. It also includes various exercise modes like running, cycling, and yoga, and you can receive notifications. Additionally, you have the ability to control your music, set alarms, and receive reminders for inactivity. Now, this bracelet is currently available in China and is priced at 1,199 yuan, which roughly converts to about $165. However, keep in mind that the prices here can differ from those over there. Please let me know if having blood pressure monitoring is a significant factor for you when choosing a wearable device or not. Now, we will have to wait to find out whether ASUS plans to distribute this wristband globally as well or not.